In today's video, I'll show you how to create folders on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Begin by adding apps to the home screen that you wish to create folders with. So start by using two apps, add them to the home screen. And once they've been added, long press on an app icon and then drag and place it on top of the second one. Once it's hovering over, simply let go and you can see your folder has now been created. From here, you can customize your folder. You can enter in the folder name. You can also change the color of the folder. So just select any color that you wish to use. You can even choose a color that's not preset. And once you've selected all of these options, you can now add more apps to your folder. So it's the same thing, simply add them to the home screen. And once they've been added, long press and then drag it and place it on top of the folder. Then you can see it's now been added to your folder. So you can do this for as many apps as you want. And then you should see your folder has those apps added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.